Do you have goals at home? I mean, at work, it's a bit easier. We set deadlines, we hold meetings, we measure results. But when it comes to home, we tend to go vague. I mean, we say we want more quality time or maybe better balance, but we don't plan for it. We don't aim for it. We don't even define it. And that's where you lose your energy. Not because home is not important, but because it's unstructured. So the tip I have for you is simply to set goals at home, just like you do at work. Write them down. Do you want to start a hobby? You want to learn something? You want to travel somewhere? Then just define it. Maybe you want to grow closer to your spouse. Well, set a weekly date night. Maybe even start a shared hobby or challenge together. I mean, my husband and I joined CrossFit together. There's nothing like that pain and challenge to bring you closer to someone. You want to connect with your kids? Well, identify what their goals might be so that you can get behind them. This is so fun. Ask what is something they want to learn or do or become this year. And if they're older than 5, they might have something to say. Is it learning a fun piano piece? Is it sinking 10 free throws in a row? Maybe it's a character thing. It's about asking for forgiveness more easily. It could even be a dream goal, like meeting someone famous, and your family can get behind that. It gives you something to rally around. You see, your personal life deserves just as much vision as your professional one. And when you lead at home with intention, you don't just feel successful, you feel fulfilled. That is a life to the full. And if you need a break or a breakthrough as a female professional or a female leader, then you've got to join us for a transformational retreat designed to refuel your leadership, reignite your purpose, and reset your priorities with a powerful community of women who lead with vision and heart. It's called Breakthrough to Your Next Level. It's all happening November 6th through the 8th. Up in Estes Park, Colorado. We only have 20 spots available. Be sure to reserve your spot now. I'll see you there.